Looking to hit the reset button on your iPhone? You're in for a treat. In this video, we'll walk you through it. There are two ways to give your iPhone a fresh start: a soft reset and a factory reset. Opting for a soft reset won't cost you any data. It won't delete a thing from your phone. To soft reset the iPhone X or later models, simply press and hold the power button along with the lower volume button, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo graces your screen. For iPhone SE, iPhone 8, and earlier models, just press and hold the power button to shut down your iPhone. Now, if you find yourself in need of a more thorough overhaul, a factory reset is the way to go. This is typically done when selling your iPhone or encountering issues beyond your DIY skills. But before you take the plunge, ensure your phone has been backed up. Once the backup is squared away, navigate to Settings and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then hit Erase All Content and Settings. Tap on Continue. Enter your passcode and watch as your iPhone attempts to back up to the cloud. Keep that Wi-Fi connection strong to wrap up the backup on time. Once the dust settles, you'll be greeted by the iOS Setup Assistant upon startup. We hope this video helped you reset your iPhone. Dive deeper into the world of tech solutions by subscribing to Guiding Tech. And, as a cherry on top, explore one of these handpicked videos just for you.